It's just shockingly good. Sorry, I'm already so happy. Oh, dude. Hi, everyone. I'm your host, Vince, and welcome to V is for Vino, America's #1 wine show. In each full episode of V is for Vino, we explore a new wine region, the history and the communities that shape it, meet the winemakers, and cook delicious food pairings at local restaurants. But in addition to our full episodes, on our YouTube channel, we also have a ton of educational wine content, fun wine challenges, cooking tutorials, wine pairings, and more. You'll understand the wine you're drinking, buy it with confidence, get better deals, and share your experience and passion for wine with others. I spent years working at bars and restaurants to pay the bills while I was trying to be a rock star in LA before I decided to become a sommelier. I wanted to give you all the knowledge I've learned from studying, traveling, and exploring the best wine regions in the world and the people and the culture behind the wines. So whether you're a newbie or a wine pro, V is for Vino makes wine theory simple, easy to understand, and accessible to all. So make sure to subscribe and turn on that little notification bell so you never miss a video. Until next wine.